So these are apparently the best sounding clicky switches. Now, my experience with clicky switches before is, pretty bad. Like, that's not that good. And they're loud and obnoxious, but these are apparently really good. But first we have to put them in the keyboard. All right, so I put them in at this row. Oh shoot. Dang! Really satisfying. Compared to, like that's like crunchy, but this is like, it's like smooth to click. Compared to, with like the ping, but like, I mean, they're still clickies, but those are probably the best clickies I have ever felt.